Yo, what's up guys? Happy Monday. I'm here in my backyard. Wanted to film a quick video. Hope you're having a good week and a good Monday first off. Wanted to let you guys know that we've got one spot left for the Leah Scholarship. We've had hundreds of folks apply since we released this, and 4 of the slots have already filled up. Right now about 25 to 30 people are applying every week. So I reckon this last spot is going to go probably this week. And frankly, I haven't really come on here and talked about it much. The link is down below. It's landinvestor.co/scholarship if you guys want to get your application sent in. Now, if you guys don't know what the Leah Scholarship is, so our flagship program is the Leah Group Coaching Program. It's a 12-month intensive program where we not only go and teach you the skill of land investing, but we go and show you how to build a business around that skill, right? Building a land business that spits out 20, 30, 40, 50K plus a month through creating leverage, right? Building it in a way that does not deter creating a really amazing life, right? I just spent the weekend traveling with my mom. Last weekend, or 2 weekends ago, I was in Colombia and then the Philippines and ran a marathon in Hawaii. And all of that is by not just understanding land investing, right? It's by building a land business, 2 very distinct things. And the thing that I'm most passionate about is showing folks how to create freedom in their life by building a land business. And so in the Leah Group Coaching Program, it's a 12-month intensive program. We meet twice weekly, and then we do a bi-weekly sales training call. We do twice weekly, Monday and Wednesday. We do our intensive Q&A sessions. We actually just got off of our Monday call. It's a 2-hour session. We've got folks, on that call just here today that are putting together huge deals. We had a gentleman who's got a deal under contract. He's buying at $257,000. It looks like it'd be worth about $1 million all said and done. Dennis on the call has a deal that he's buying at 38 and selling at 100. The one that he's buying at 16,000 and selling at 80,000. I mean, it's a really incredible opportunity that we have here in this business. And so what I'm most passionate about is teaching people how to not only take advantage of the opportunity, but build a business around it. So we've got the actual coaching aspect of it. We've got a Discord with 500 plus land investors where we're just talking deals, working through the business day to day together. Then of course we've got the Leah course, which that is kind of the study component that you do outside of the coaching sessions. And that teaches everything I've learned in my path of building a 7-figure land business. And so when you marry all of that together, what happens is you create this flywheel that we call learn, implement, coach. And so you go through the Leah course, you learn, then you implement in conjunction while going through it, and then you get coached on the work that you're putting forth before you go out there and start building your business and spending money on marketing. You get your work reviewed, because frankly, I always tell people this business is simple, but it's not easy. And along this path, there's mines and potholes littered throughout that if you're not careful and you don't sidestep those, disaster can strike, right? And you don't want to get yourself out of the game before you even have a fair chance of fighting. Now, because this is an intensive program, because we will literally work with you for 12 months straight, myself included, and our team of coaches, there's a lot of manpower that goes into it. And it's a 5-figure program, and I understand that's not for everyone. There's people at different walks of life that have got skill sets that would lend really well to this business, and they just need a leg up. This is why we created the scholarship program. It's a really cool opportunity. So anyway, something I'm really passionate about, because when I started this business, I had $7,000 to my name. There's no shot I could have afforded education, and I was so bullheaded that I'd figure it out on my own. And I spent 2 years spinning my wheels because of that. And that might not sound like a lot, because I figured it out, and it did work out in the long run. But 2 years of my life, do you know what I could have done with those 2 years bought back? Or do you know how much my efforts could have compounded and how much further along I could have been had I had support, had I been in the right rooms, had I had community, had I had coaching and guidance and accountability? And so I understand that there's folks out there that need that deserve that, that've got the skills. They just need a little more support. So that's why we created the scholarship. So if you guys want to take part in it, it's landinvestor.co/scholarship. I'll put the link down below for you guys. Anyways, hope everyone has an amazing week this week. Kick ass, take names, make your dreams happen, make it a good one. See you guys.